Hi there, finance professionals. Many billion-dollar companies like Jet Airways have faced insolvency due to poor financial management. To address this, it's crucial to upgrade your finance team so you can bridge knowledge gaps and provide valuable insights backed by comprehensive data. So, what will your ideal finance function look like? Digital transformation and automation. Technology is rapidly transforming finance operations, especially areas like accounts receivables and accounts payables, where manual tasks are being automated. Finance departments are requiring less staff for routine tasks, redirecting their talent towards strategic finance planning. A focus on resilience. With rising inflation and supply chain disruptions, preserving cash flow has become paramount for businesses. The role of accounts receivables is pivotal in ensuring cash flow stability through digital transformation, enabling quicker collections and freeing up essential resources. Demand for digital skills. Modern finance teams are dealing with larger volumes of data, making data science skills essential. Automation, data literacy, and advanced analytics are highlighted as critical areas by experts. Agile teams and flatter structures. Automation is reshaping finance teams, moving them away from rigid structures with many individual contributors focused on manual processes. Do you want to know more about how to structure your finance team? Read our blog with the link in the description below.